Fundamentally, medicines are supposed to save or better lives. If not, then not only the brands and the organizations, but also the country's reputation is at stake. Any government would be sensitive to such a mishap and would obviously step in with regulations and mandates to arrest any such incident from occurring. Mind you, India is the pharmacy to the world, and 20% of the global demand is fulfilled by Indian pharmaceutical companies. We also have a domestic population which creates a huge demand. I think proactive steps and more importantly, thought over steps ought to be taken. There are regulations to address counterfeit products seeping into the supply chain, but there is also this factor of negligence or a factor of errors, and this can cause equal, if not more, damage. Therefore, the entire supply chain needs to be looked at holistically. While the government directly or with the help of autonomous bodies proposes and lays down guidelines to be adopted, there are various bodies of pharmaceutical manufacturing organizations, and some of the member organizations have actually led the way to adopt the highest levels of technology today. Even creating a lighthouse facility, which of course is also for the benefit of the industry. I feel therefore there should be exchange of ideas, exchange of information in their forums, and the leaders should urge other member organizations to adopt a self-imposed compliance to regulations with added technological advancement. I think definitely this will go along. Technology is an enabler, and now more than ever before, organizations have realized the true value of the use of technology in different areas of operations. And it's not just compliance driven. The industry has always been technically advanced, but technology has played a catalytic role, and the potential that it has unlocked is massive. Digitization and technology has helped planning better. Efficiency has increased multifold. Process and digital workflow validations have ensured consistency and increase in quality, which has led to better sustainability. So, all that one could hope for is getting addressed with technological advancement.